Listen to this very interesting story, among the fascinating stories that you find in this country. Now you see this young man there. He is a medical doctor. He studied preventive medicine at the university for 6 years. He's a medical doctor. He worked in the military in military medicine for about 3 years, but then he fell in love with that beautiful girl over there, and they got married, and he joined the shoe business, which has been in this family for 100 years, 3 generations. So he left the medical field and he joined the shoe shop. But he's applying his medical knowledge to developing a healthy shoe. Tell me about this shoe.
I want to make a shoe is very comfortable for the foot.
For the foot.
The fitting the foot.
But I see. So you're applying your medical knowledge to developing a special shoe.
About the material is very suitable for the skin.
I see. So he chose a material that is healthy for the skin.
It's safety for the shoe, for your skin and the foot.
Isn't that amazing? Isn't that an amazing story? This country is full of surprises.